kitchen. Something yummy I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen. Cooking on the stove. Eggs fried sunny side up. Hard boiled in a little teacup. Eggs fried sunny side up. Hard boiled in a cup. Sunny side up, hard boiled in a little teacup. Eggs fried sunny